Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we solved the question first of exercise 2.4. Today, we will start to solve the question number second. The question number second is that find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and the product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 and minus 14. We have to given that sum of zeros of a cubic polynomial okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma which is equal to minus b upon a is given that 2 sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, okay, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. The value is given that minus 7. Again, next, product of zeros, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a is given that minus 14. As given that if we have a polynomial px equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then the cubic polynomial has three zeros, namely alpha, beta and gamma. And we have find that the relation between the coefficient and the zeros, sum of zeros of cubic polynomial alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, which is given this question is 2, and sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time, alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is c by a, which is given in the question minus 7, and the product of zeros alpha beta gamma minus d by a, which is given in the question is minus 14. Now we have to find that a cubic polynomial which has the sum of zeros 2, product of zeros taken, the sum of zeros taken two at a time minus 7 and the product of zeros minus 14. हमें क्या करना है? हमें एक ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म करना है जो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल हो, जिसके प्रोडक्ट का सम क्या हो, जिसके जीरोस का सम क्या हो 2, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ जीरोस टेकन टू टुगेदर कितना हो minus 7 हो, अब प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस क्या हो minus 14 हो. हमें क्या करना है? ऐसे पॉलिनोमियल को फॉर्म करना है. क्लियर? एज वी नो दैट the cubic polynomial is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus here alpha plus beta plus gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. This is a cubic polynomial. Now we put the value here. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma is given to minus 2x square plus here sorry here will be alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Okay, here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is given minus 7 minus 7. Okay, now alpha beta gamma is given minus 14. Okay, now we see that x cube minus x square plus into minus minus 7x minus into minus plus 14. This is our required cubic polynomial. हमें क्या करना था, हमें सम ऑफ जीरोस दिया था, प्रोडक्ट सम ऑफ जीरोस टेकन टुगेदर एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस गिवन थे, उनसे हमें क्या क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करना था. अगर वे दिए गए हैं हमें क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करना, फार्मूला क्या है, x क्यूब माइनस सम ऑफ जीरोस इनटू x स्क्वायर प्लस सम ऑफ द जीरोस टेकन टुगेदर इनटू x माइनस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. हमने वैल्यू पुट किया, हमने जो रिक्वायर्ड मारा था पॉलिनोमियल, वो पॉलिनोमियल क्या हुआ, आपके हो गया. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस the next question, which is question number 3. The question number 3 is, if the zeroth polynomial, if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a plus b, find a and b. Find a and b. Okay, here the zeros of the cubic polynomial is given a minus b, a plus b, and we have to find out the value of a and b with the help of this polynomial. Whose zeros are that? We know that sum of zeros will be a minus b plus a plus b, means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. We compare this ax cube plus bx square plus c plus here. In place of b is minus 3 upon, in place of a is 1. Here 1. Okay, we see that minus b plus b cancels out, a plus a means 3a, minus to minus plus 3, a equal to 3 upon 3, a equal to 1. 1 values we find out, the value of a is obtained. Now we take the product of zeros. The product of zeros, alpha beta gamma equal to minus b upon a. Here alpha means a minus b into a plus b equal to minus b by a means constant term. Here minus 1 upon 1. We put the value of a is 1. 1 minus b into 1 plus b equal to minus 1. Okay, 1 into 1 means 1 minus b into 1 plus b. equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we see that here 1 minus b into 1 plus b means a minus b into a plus b is a square plus b square. Here it will be 1 square minus b square equal to minus 1. 1 square is 1 minus b square equal to minus 1. Minus b square equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus b square equal to minus 2. B square equal to 2. Clear? Now we take the square root of both sides. So b equal to plus minus square root 2. Clear? Now we find the values of a and b both. A equal to 1 and b equal to plus minus root 2. Answer here a equal to 1 and b equal to plus minus root 2. First of all, we take the sum of zeros and find the relation between coefficient and zeros. Compare, we find a. After that, we take product of zeros and put 1 in place of a and b star and find value of b. Okay. Now we see the question number 4. Question number 4 is that if two zeros are polynomial, if the two zeros of the polynomial, if the two zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 3 x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 130 and 8x minus 35. Okay, are 2 plus minus root 3. Find other zeros. Find the other zeros. Okay. Now, as we know that this is a biquadratic polynomial, high degree 4. It has 4 zeros, and we have given only 2 zeros. We have to find out the other 2 zeros. Clear? This is alpha and beta. Alpha equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta equal to 2 minus root 3. As we know that if alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial, then x minus alpha means x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus beta means x minus 2 plus root 3. We will be the factor of these two polynomials. Will be the factors of these polynomials. We found a quadratic polynomial with the help of these two zeros. As we know that a quadratic polynomial whose zero is given is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, now we see that x square minus alpha means 2 plus root 3 plus beta 2 minus root 3 into x plus alpha beta 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Here 2 root 3 cancel out. X square minus 4x a square minus b square plus 4 minus 3 means x square minus 4x plus 1. This is a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now, we know that if this is the factor of this polynomial. Now, we divide this polynomial by this polynomial. Here, x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. We divide it by x square minus 4x plus 1. Now we see that this is a factor, hence when we divide this by this, then the remainder will be 0. Now we check. Here, this is the highest power 4 and here 2. Hence, when we divide x power 4 by x square, we get x square. And the coefficient is same. Hence, we write here x square. Okay? Now we multiply this term to all these terms and write here. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into 4 minus 4x cube. Okay? Now, x square into 1 plus x square. We change the sign. Minus, plus and minus. Okay? Here. Get it out. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube means minus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube minus 26 minus x minus 27 square plus 138x minus 35. Now, we take here x cube, here x square. When you divide x cube by x square, you get x. And here, the coefficient is minus 2, but here 1. Hence, we write here minus 2x. Okay? Now, we see that. We multiply minus 2x to all these terms. And write here. Minus 2x cube, minus into minus, plus 2 4 the 8x square. And minus 1 the minus 2. Minus 2x here plus minus plus, this is cancelled out. Minus 27 minus 8 minus 35 x square 130 plus 2 148x and here 35. We see that x square and x square, the power of variable is same, hence we compare the coefficient. This is minus 35 and it is 1. Hence we write here minus 35. Because when we divide minus 35 square upon x square, we get minus 35. Now we multiply minus 35 to these numbers. Minus 35 x square minus 2 minus plus 4 5 का 22 4 factor to 14. Okay? Here minus plus. Minus into plus minus means 35. Here we write x minus. Okay? Now subtract. Plus minus plus. Cancel out. Cancel out. Cancel out. We get the question x square minus 2x minus 35. Now we factorize this. This is quadratic. This is the quadratic polynomial. And it has two factors. First of all, we have given two factors, and if you factorize this, we get the two other factors which we will have to find. Okay? Now, see that. X square minus 2x minus 35. We factorize this. This is previous. Here we compare with standard quadratic polynomial x square plus b plus c. We find that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 35. Okay. Here the constant term has negative signs, hence we have to find first of all AC. AC equal to 1 into 35 means 35. Now we have to find two factors which are multiplication with 35, but their difference is 2. Now 7 5 35. x square minus 7x plus 5x. You can write this 7 minus 5 into x minus 35. When you solve bracket, then x square minus 6 minus plus 5 is minus 35. Now we take common x minus 7 plus 5 x minus 7 x minus 7 and x plus 5. X minus 7 x plus 5 is factor of this polynomial. Hence x minus 7 is a factor of polynomial. Hence 7 is 0 of polynomial. Okay, कंपेयर करेंगे किससे? x माइनस अल्फा से. कैसे आएगा ये? इसको इक्वेट करोगे x माइनस 7 इक्वल टू 0, x इक्वल टू 7. In the same way, x plus 5 is factor of polynomial. Hence we see that here x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5. In this way we find the other two zeros of this polynomial, of which the two zeros is given. Now the last question of the exercise, which is question number 5. We will solve this question in next video. Thank you.